Hello and welcome to the course iOS 13 Programming with Swift 5. My name is Gregor Pichler and I'm an iOS developer for more than 8 years. I'm also lecturing iOS programming at the University of Applied Sciences in Hagenberg for the study program Mobile Commuting. I'm also a co-founder of the startup called Butleroy, which is a butler that helps you to become more productive, and we are focusing only on the Apple platform. Now for the course overview. In section 1, we are getting started with the tool Xcode 11 and we're making ourselves familiar with the Swift programming language. In section 2, we will set up the project and are going to develop a tab-based app. We will also design our user interface in the user interface builder. Section 3 is all about displaying data in a UI table view. A quite common task for an iOS developer is to display data in a list. So this section is all about that. Section 4, we will add navigation to our app that allows us to navigate between so-called UI view controllers. Section 5 is all about optimizing the user interface for other devices, such as the iPad and also the Mac. We will make use of the latest Apple technology called Catalyst that allows us to port an iPad app to Mac. We will also implement the dark mode and we will make use of auto layout to build adaptive user interfaces for all devices. In section 6, we will learn about core data and the newly introduced synchronization with CloudKit that was just released with iOS 13. In section 7, we will make the app ready for the world. We will implement the new Apple sign-in and we will also learn how we can make money out of our app. And in the last section, we will cover the newly introduced framework called Swift UI, and we will experience the full power of it. So for the prerequisites of this course, it would be good if you have prior knowledge of any programming language. It doesn't have to be some language of the Apple ecosystem like Objective-C or Swift. It would also be great if you are familiar with basic programming concepts. And it obviously helps if you know the operating system, iOS. It's enough if you own an iPhone, for example. That helps to understand everything a little bit better. But don't worry, we will start from scratch, so you don't have to have any specific knowledge for iOS itself. The outcome of this course is that you're going to become a confident iOS developer by knowing the latest Apple technologies and how to build an app from scratch. At the end of this course, you're going to have a delicious burger recipe app that runs on your iPhone, on your iPad, and even on your Mac. Now, I would say let's get started.